we're literally telling people to voluntarily pay tax now.
Yes.
And many times, not all the time, but many accountants go, why do you want to pay more tax?
Right.
They're all about paying the least amount as possible.
Each year. It's that tunnel vision. Yeah.
And you go, look, if you don't do this, the amount you're going to have to take out in the future is going to be even greater, and you're going to be in an even higher tax bracket than what we did the conversions at.
Right.
And so you got to get them to think about more than 2 seconds ahead of them.
Yeah, that's a great point. I think the other part, looking at tax planning from our perspective, from the CPA, again, it depends on the relationship you have with your CPA. And if it's only twice a year, they may not be aware of what's going on in your life. Like we know lots of times, typically when a client might need home health care or needs to go into a facility. And from that perspective, we know now medical expenses deductibility just went way up. So there's different, those are the conversations where like, hey, we need to, here's what we think is going to happen. Let's, engage the accountant. And I think that's a big difference, so working with your advisor and your team, being aware of those conversations and doing the planning, because that can, we have clients, going into, assisted living or home health care, full health care, nursing home, it could be $15,000, $20,000 a month. Unfortunately. And if you don't have long-term care, or if you even have if you have a elimination period, it can get your the expenses could go up pretty drastically.
Yeah. And that plays into taxes.
Yes. Yeah.
So, I think everything comes back to, you tend to be more successful when you plan things out.